Now, as the nation continues to reel from the effects of Hurricane Melissa, 2 national athletes are among the many who suffer the loss of physical structures. Kadrian Goldson of the Sprintech Track Club and national javelin record holder Elvis Graham, who trains at GC Foster College, both saw their family homes suffering structural damage during the passage of Hurricane Melissa a week and a half ago. Goldson hails from Middle Quarters in St. Elizabeth, one of the worst affected parishes. 2 homes belonging to his family members sustained damage.
I spoke with my nephew in the middle of the storm. He called my mom called me. They told me that the roof, when flying, the windows, all windows got shattered. After that, the next day I spoke with my sister. They told me that because I stay in different homes. I stay with my grandma, they stay at the family house, so both houses lost their roof, and they had to relocate in the neighbor unfinished house that has a decking top. So that's where they stayed for like a few days.
In the aftermath of the hurricane, he got some assistance from coaches and fellow athletes at Sprintech. The effort was coordinated by Canadian sprinter and assistant athletics director at GC Foster College, Brendan Rodney.
Kadrian, of course, is my training partner on the track. And of course, we are, we always support each other. So he told me that he had to go down and I had to make the trip, So he just jumped in the van, packed it up, and brought as much things and to as many families as we could. So it wasn't just Kadrian's family alone. We helped everybody in the community, and then of course we went into Newtown in Black River.
Meanwhile, national men's javelin record holder Elvis Graham also had his family home in Axandad's district in Hanover being extensively damaged.
The roof is gone. Everything in the house is wet. They have nowhere to stay at the moment. Some of them are staying with my brother at the moment, and my father is still at the house with chapoling, so I use that for shade. My father is still traumatized at the moment. He hasn't started anything like try to clean up or anything. He's just lost at the moment. I don't think I can handle it. Really, what's happening down there, what I've seen so far, I don't know if I can handle it, but I will help from here and ensure they're okay down there.
Both Goldson and Graham are hoping that the recovery and rebuilding exercise for their respective family homes and family members will be expedited in the coming days and weeks.